guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Stancia. I do hope you subscribe. Today I am going to tell you guys all about my deep conditioning routine and how I use this heat cap over here or this hooded steamer for my deep conditioning to get best results for my fall C, fall Z hair. So if you're interested in how these two work and which one works for what, or just pretty much figure out which one works best for your hair needs, then you do want to stay tuned for this one. So this is my hair after I shampooed it yesterday with my homemade shampoo that I'm gonna link a bath. If you haven't seen that video, I don't know what you're waiting for because it's bomb. So this right here is my deep conditioner mixed with some aloe vera powder and my two favorite oils, olive and avocado oil. I do that almost every time. That's basically my routine. I go in with some aloe vera powder or gel or water and some oils. And my hair, I do not end up with green flakes in my hair. No, it works great and my hair is super moisturized afterwards. Now all we have to do is wait for our steamer to boil and produce some steam. So why is it important to steam our hair? One, because our hair absolutely loves the moisture and needs it. And two, because it helps our product better penetrate into our hair. Especially if you're low porosity hair, it means that your cuticles are closed. So in order for the product you're using to better absorb into your hair, you need to open up your hair cuticles, which means that you need heat to do this. The only way you can open up your hair cuticles is by using heat. So by using the steamer, you're giving yourself some heat and some moisture, and so your product will be able to better penetrate your hair shaft, which would result in softer, more manageable and easier hair, which is what everybody's looking for, right? Yes. So what the steamer does is essentially convert your water into steam to moisturize your hair and open up your cuticles so your product can better absorb into your hair. The downside, however, is that it feels quite plasticky and it is bulky and you would have to reassemble it every time you want to use. But you can also use this to steam your face. There is a wand that you can attach to it for your face or for your skin, which is absolutely great. So you're getting two uses out of the product. However, the hooded attachment does allow your hair to soak up pretty good. So I usually prefer to use this when my hair is almost dry or completely dry. That way I am not putting more moisture or more steam into hair that is already soaked up, because I don't think I would get the best results with that. So as we saw earlier in the video, in this case my hair, I had washed it the previous day, so it was almost dry, so I prefer to do it this way. Now in the middle of the week, if I don't want to completely soak up my hair, I would use the attachment, the wand attachment that is usually for the skin or for the face, to get just a little bit of steam onto my hair so my hair is not soaking wet, but it is still manageable enough for me to style or do whatever I want to do with it. So yes, I would usually use this hooded steamer on wash days when I've washed my hair and I've dried it a little bit, and then I'm going in with my deep conditioner to condition my hair, and it leaves my hair feeling really nice. The heated cap, on the other hand, does not necessarily produce steam, but it does provide some heat that would equally open up your hair shaft and allow your product to better penetrate. Now, it comes filled with some sort of product that feels like a gel or liquid silicone that you would be able to warm up, and then it keeps that heat trapped onto your scalp when you put this on. It does seem a little heavy though, but not to the point where it's not usable. It's quite okay. So for this one, you just need a shower cap, throw on a shower cap, and then just put the heating cap on for about 20 to 30 minutes after you've heated it, of course. So for this one, you would want to use a microwave to warm it up for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you can use it for 20 to 30 minutes and it would stay warm. At the very most, it would stay warm for about 20 minutes, and then getting into the 30th minute, it gets to cool down a little bit, and you can rewarm it if you'd like, or you could just 20 minutes is enough to deep condition anyways. So for me, I prefer to use this particular heat cap when my hair is already wet, soaking wet, and I don't really need to get it wet, but I just need it to be warm enough so my product can penetrate into my hair. So most of the time, if I wanted to use this on a wash day, it means I don't have enough time and I just want to deep condition my hair immediately after I have washed it because I want to do something else, or during the middle of the week when I'm doing a hot oil treatment, or even on wash day when I decide to do both a hot oil treatment and a deep condition at the same time because I don't have enough time. So when I put the oil onto my scalp and I put the deep conditioner onto my hair, then I would use this one just so I'm not getting steam onto my scalp and, disrupting the whole oil deep conditioning process, because oil and water do not mix. We know that. So yes, that's what I would do. And the upside to this, it's easy to carry around. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can watch a movie or do some chores, whatever you want to do. It's easy, it's portable, you just have it on your head. So in this clip I was doing a hot oil treatment, so I absolutely preferred this one over the steamer for a hot oil treatment. So essentially both products are good for your deep conditioning routine because they would both be able to open up your hair cuticles so your product can better penetrate into your hair shaft and keep your hair moisturized. However, the heating cap does not necessarily provide you with moisture, meaning it doesn't really provide that steam that you need to moisturize your hair. So it's not beneficial to use that midweek to refresh your hair. Maybe for a hot oil treatment, great. For a deep conditioning routine, great. But not necessarily to provide moisture to refresh your hair or moisturize your hair. The hooded steamer, on the other hand, would be able to provide enough steam that can actually moisturize your hair and wet your hair, if you will. So that's pretty much it for these two products. Now, if you don't have any of these products, you can very easily just throw on a shower cap and then wrap a towel around it for about an hour, and your body would equally produce some heat, and this heat would be trapped in the shower cap and would be able to do pretty much the same thing. The results would not be exactly the same. Of course, it would be better with the steamer or the heating cap, but it's manageable. It's good enough. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.